welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday. Today's a blue moon in Sagittarius, and I just filmed this blue moon ethereal eyes makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this look, you could check it out. I'll link it down below. But today I'm opening my beauty edit for the month of May, and just in time because May is almost over. This is one of the subscriptions I did choose to keep. All my Ipsy subscriptions and my FabFitFun are the ones I'm keeping. I just think they have the best value overall. And what I really like about FabFitFun is that it's more than just makeup. It's like a lot of household items too, or jewelry, or purses, or like body washes and hair care. So I really love that because I love experimenting with new products. And I'm not like a big home shopper, so it kind of forces me to like pick up items that I normally wouldn't, and I've used them all, so that's really cool. So let's just get right into it. This is like what's inside, a little sneak peek. First thing I see is the Peter Thomas Roth whipped cream cleanser. Ooh, I love face washes and I love whipped cream type products. It doesn't really have a smell. It's like super thick. Obviously it feels like whipped cream. I do like Peter Thomas Roth products, so I'm definitely gonna put this in my bathroom and start using it immediately. Next in here is, this is the Sunlit, Clementine, and Vetiver smell. Yeah, this is a shower gel. Ooh, it smells so good. It has that Clementine smell, but not super bright. The Vetiver kind of mutes it a little bit. It makes it a little bit more woodsy and deeper of a smell. I'm using this immediately. And how beautiful is this bottle? Like the amber color, I love that. Very nice. Okay, next I have two Bumble products. First, this is the Bond Building Rinse. So this says it instantly detangles, softens, and adds shine. All of those things I feel like I absolutely need. So, ooh, it has a really strong salon smell. I actually really like that smell. Wonderful, I'll let you guys know what I think about this. And then lastly, in my beauty edit box, Bumble Surf Spray Foam, blow dry foam. And I have the surf spray, like the actual spray, and I love that product. This is a blow dry foam, so I'm curious to see what this will do to my hair. Even if I just like put it in and didn't blow dry it, it does have that salt texture to it, so very interesting. Yeah, you guys, that is what was in my FabFitFun beauty edit box for the month of May. Overall, a really great box, all full-size products, and definitely have like a blue and amber theme going on. So I love that. Leave me a comment, you guys. Let me know what you want to see next. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.